in a meadow so green, under the starlit shimmering sheen. Deer gently graze in the quiet night. In the forest everything's alright. Close your eyes and dream so sweet. In the forest where magic we meet. Gentle creatures, lullabies they sing. Into dreams their voices bring. The brook flows gently with a soothing sound. Mossy stones and flowers all around. Fairies whisper tales of dreams. In the forest all is as it seems. Close your eyes and dream so sweet.